Ariana Grande opened up about Mac Miller's death, her PTSD, and so much more. So as I'm sure you've heard by now, Ariana Grande is on the cover of Vogue's August issue, and in her interview with Vogue, she actually got very candid about her personal struggles. For instance, she opened up about how she had done a lot of research about healing and handling PTSD, and all of the research told her that she needed a daily routine, which is actually why Ariana decided to go on tour, saying, quote, "Of course, because I'm an extremist, I'm like, okay, I'll go on tour. But it's hard to sing songs that are about wounds that are so fresh. It's fun, it's pop music, and I'm not trying to make it sound like anything that it's not, but these songs to me really do represent some heavy shit." Which definitely would explain why Ariana has been getting so emotional during her shows. And speaking of those emotional times, in the Vogue interview, she also opened up about losing Mac Miller, saying, quote, "It's pretty all-consuming. By no means was what we had perfect, but like, he was the best person ever and he didn't deserve the demons he had. I was the glue for such a long time and I found myself becoming less and less sticky. The pieces just started to float away." Probably one of the most raw moments from the interview is when Ariana admits that she actually doesn't remember making her album Thank You Next because of all that she was going through. She opened up about it saying, quote, "But if I'm completely honest, I don't remember those months of my life because I was A, so drunk, and B, so sad. I don't really remember how it started or how it finished or how all of a sudden there were 10 songs on the board. I think that this is the first album and also the first year of my life where I'm realizing that I can no longer put off spending time with myself just as me." Ariana then went on to explain that she has basically been in a relationship her whole life, and Thank You Next was a huge moment for her where she realized she had to face all the stuff that she hadn't before. Honestly, I admire that Ariana was so vulnerable in this interview and would love to hear what you guys think, so make sure to let me know down in the comments below. Once you're done with that, click right over here for a new video, and of course, subscribe. As always, I'm your host, Renee Ariel. Follow me on Instagram @ReneeAriel, and I'll see you next time.